welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Negestyle, and today we're talking about this dress, the final resort. Let me turn around so you can look at it. We're talking about this dress. I'm gonna play a video left, right for the full dress, so you can watch the full dress on the video, because I'm by myself. I don't have a photographer to like go down and up to show you the whole thing. This is the most I can show you on this video. I'm gonna have a short clip with a full video on the side. Okay, so we're talking about how we made this outfit. My name is Geraldine from Negestyle. I'm a fashion designer. On my videos I show you how to create things, little tips on sewing and fashion, and sometimes I do nails, anything God bless me with. So remember the previous video before this video where I talk about this dress, where I told you what I was working on, that I have an event this week and I'm working on this dress. We started with the flowers. There's a video on how I made these flowers, the video before this one. And today we're talking about the whole dress. I'm just gonna give you a quick run and tell you how I made the dress, what the dress is all about. So this top part is a corset. It's double layered. The layer inside the lining, which is the same fabric, is embellished with with this to make a corset. And as you can see at the back, showing the corset is inside to like this. So the corset is to like right here, like to suck in and pressing the stomach. The corset is right there. And then this one is sewn, the skirt part is sewn, the lace skirt is sewn on top of the corset by hand. And then I put the embellishment. This is glued on, those blings. I purchased it from Temu. And this is just our beadings. We have this one, remember from the previous video there. And then remember our beads, I think it's funnel, glass funnel, yeah, from Nigeria. And I got more corset things right here, but this is the main one I use on the outfit. I use this one more. This is a little smaller. I use this one to bring out the cup, the bra cup, because I have no bra on, guys. Push up, I have no bra. I use the little ones to like line up this area. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about, back up a little bit and I'll come back closer, because I'll be closer, my height maybe chopped up, that's fine. We're focusing on the dress. So this part right here is this. I purchased this from Temu. I thought they would be bigger beads, but they came out as small. So I was thinking, remember I used that to create these flowers, and I was thinking how I'm gonna use this, because it's gonna be time consuming to sew it one at a time. So what I did was I used the whole thing with the help of my glue. I applied lines of glue and I glued it up. And to finish it up for the blinks, I added this. Finish it up with the blinks. So that's what happened on this top part. And if you can look closer, you see like a little net part right here. The little net part right here is my lace, the edges of my lace. I took a little piece. And then I added it up here, and as you can see, and I used my glass funnel here and then here. And then let's talk about this flower. It's the same as this flower. It's the same. But this one, the difference with this one is that I use this. Remember my video I have with these things on how to give glam to your corset or dress? We're still using the same things we talk about to add glam on your corset or dress. And I have more things, different style, different design on how to add glam on your corset that are coming up next week. So you're familiar with this one, with the first video on how to add glam, the flowers we created with this. So I use that to add a little bit there to give it more shine on the front. And then the sleeve is the one we work together with. And that's about it. That's about it, guys. And that's my final look. about it. Did you like it? Do you want like a detailed tutorial on how I'm sewing it? I could do a reduced scales of sewing the corset or the dress, whatever you want. Just go in the comment section. Make sure you like the video if you liked it, or you like the result. Are you in something you're gonna wear for what event you're gonna wear it? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, because we have more and more and more interesting videos like this one coming up on our channel. So I'm not going to take so much of your time, because the video was just to show you the final result as I promised, and to tell you a little bit more of what I use to embellish the outfit. I hope you learned, you love, you're interested. You can ask questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. This is how the corset looks inside. Those are that's how a corset look inside. And this is the part where it's attached to the skirt. And right here, it's attached to the skirt. That's my corset, and this is the part it's attached to the skirt. It's our corset inside. This is why it's attached to the skirt, as you can see. This is it attached to the skirt. There we go. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you the extra clip of the inside part of the corset. I hope this video was interesting, helpful, educational, the way it was to me. That's the detail at the shoulder.